From the developers that brought you Treasury Building in Coogee Common comes the new heritage development Victoria House.
Victoria House is going to become the centre of Shenton Park. Within 10 minutes you can get to the beach, you can get to the CBD and you can get to Kings Park, all within a heritage project but at the same time within a landscape setting.
At the end of the day, you can't rebuild architecture such as this. You know, spaces that flow out into the lawns out the front, spaces that incorporate beautiful light that flows out into Shenton Park. You've got a spot that has been underutilised for years. Such a good demographic in the area, screaming out for usages such as fitness studios, health and beauty or medical. This site would be perfect for any of those.
Victoria House, because of the retained heritage and the mature trees on site, is going to feel established from day dot. And with all the different uses which are getting integrated within the heritage building, it's going to become a community hub very quickly.
Taking ownership of an old building has its responsibilities, and the exciting part of this project is the integration of old and new, to breathe new life into these old buildings.
The tenancy comprises of 365 square metres of fully refurbished heritage building. This is a glimpse from the past and a look into what your business's future can be, and give you a great opportunity to be the #1 commercial location in Shenton Park moving forward.